Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Is it kind of cool? So here's the whole little context of the whole place. So we're just gonna showcase some of the locations here. And St. Michael's goes up that way. So we're gonna keep on going straight down though. And I believe we're still on our same street. So Calzada de Igreja de Lázaro. Okay, so this is St. Lazarus district, and there's kind of an art exhibition area right here called Fantasia. There's a few things in here called Albuquerque, and then we're kind of not too far from Monch Fortress, which is up that hill a little bit. And then over this direction is the hospital. So there's Kyungwoo Hospital. Let's just walk down that way a little bit. And if you keep going all the way down that way, it also goes to Sao Paulo Ruins, the church as well. But what we're going to be doing is going down Calzada de St. Lazarus Church, Calzada de Igreja de Lázaro. And we're going to follow this kind of busy crowd of people going down that same way. So stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna head on down. Let me just kind of that's a yellow, I forget, this is also a historic building too. So this whole area is South Lazarus. I think they originally came about because of the leprosy. So I think they built it out here. There was some reason they built it. So it was one of the like a new district of Macau. That's the Target Street right there. And then St. Lazarus' church, there's a church down that way as well. There's Fantasia. They do have a lot of art stuff in this area as well. And the buildings are gorgeous. It's so beautiful, as you can see. And we're also going to take a look at this one as well. They have a lot of art exhibitions in that space. So but it's closed today. It's closed at the moment. It's actually Chinese New Year right now. So so a lot of places are closed at this time. Let's see some advertisements. So they have a lot of, they support the arts basically in the space. So there'll be a lot of awareness about what to catch. Here's an art exhibition right here. When I close my eyes. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And to the left is Albuquerque, the secret of flowers, mnemonics of dreams, never fade. Some pretty interesting stuff here. I think Albuquerque, they're gonna set something up for next weekend, I believe. There's also a Portuguese restaurant here. Ricardo is manager of it. Portuguese guy who's really cool guy. All the Chinese dragons, such things. Is it kind of cool? So here's the whole little context of the whole place. So we're just gonna showcase some of the locations here. A jar, so it looks like coffee shop. And then this one is a restaurant. So Ricardo, actually, I think that might be closed because of the holiday. Hello. So we're gonna capture, that's a wishing well right there. And then we're gonna slowly fade on out and capture the feeling of this space. So let's head on down. And we're gonna go directly down this street. Secret of the golden flower. And then this one, this is kind of a nice little tile street. This is St. Miguel Street, St. Michael Street. And you have that really nice little space in there. And St. Michael's goes up that way. So we're gonna keep on going straight down though. And I believe we're still, yeah, we're still on our same street. So Calzada de Igreja de São Lázaro. That's nice. We have another saint here, Saint Roque. Saint Roque Street. And then I think the church, it's named after St. Lazarus Church. I'm not sure, the church I think is to the left. But this building has always been really impressive to everybody that views it. And I believe that the church of St. Lazarus is over here. But as far as churches go, it doesn't look that impressive from the outside. A lot of elderly people here. Okay, so we're gonna go back out. That's that beautiful building right there. And that's actually where we just came from. That's nice. And again, these also the side streets are real nice in this area too. So we're gonna keep on going down. And I think this will end not at the end of the street that you'd think it ends, but we'll see for sure. Yeah, it's actually going to end right here. So now it changes to João de Almeida Street. Just get out of the shade, get out of the sun. You can see that street. And that was our target street, was right up that way. So something a little bit different of Macau, has a different feel. So it's called the St. Lazarus District. Let's cross the street and then we'll end it. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.